Looking for the best fishing rod that actually performs on the water? In this video, I'll break down the top 5 fishing rods that deliver strength, sensitivity, and real-world reliability whether you're a weekend angler or chasing trophy fish. Stick around, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest fishing gear reviews and expert tips. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's dive in. Number 1. PLUSINNO Fishing Rod. The PLUSINNO fishing rod is definitely worth your attention. This rod is designed with a lightweight but durable build, using high-quality materials that give you a solid balance between strength and sensitivity. That means you can feel even small bites while still having enough backbone to handle larger fish. The telescopic design makes it compact and easy to carry, which is perfect for road trips, camping, or quick fishing sessions. So why is this better than many other rods in its category? The main advantage is convenience without sacrificing performance. Many portable rods feel weak or unstable, but PLUSINNO focuses on smooth casting, good control, and comfortable handling. Pros include portability, smooth action, and beginner-friendly design. Cons may be that advanced anglers might want more specialized options for specific fishing styles. Personally, I think this rod delivers dependable performance for casual to intermediate anglers. To use it, simply extend the rod, attach your reel and line, and you're ready to fish in freshwater or light saltwater environments. It's good because it's versatile and easy to handle. It's not ideal if you need heavy-duty, professional tournament gear. Overall, the PLUSINNO fishing rod is best suited for beginners, travelers, and hobby anglers who want a reliable all-around rod. See the description for more details. Number 2. Sougayilang Fishing Rod. The Sougayilang fishing rod, a popular option for anglers who want solid performance without overcomplicating their setup. This rod is designed with a lightweight yet durable construction, making it comfortable to use for long fishing sessions. It offers good sensitivity, so you can feel even subtle bites, while still having enough backbone to handle larger fish. Whether you're fishing in freshwater or light saltwater conditions, it delivers reliable control and balance. So why is the Sougayilang fishing rod better than many others in its category? The big advantage is versatility. It's easy to handle, travel-friendly, and works well for beginners and casual anglers, while still offering performance that more experienced fishermen can appreciate. Pros include its lightweight feel, smooth casting, and comfortable grip. Cons are that it may not be ideal for very heavy-duty or professional tournament fishing. Using it is simple. Pair it with a compatible reel, adjust your line and lure, and you're ready to go. It's good because it's user-friendly and dependable. It's not perfect if you need extreme power or specialized setups. Overall, this rod is best suited for beginners, weekend anglers, and anyone looking for a dependable all-around fishing rod. See the description for more details. Number 3. KastKing Fishing Rod. The KastKing fishing rod, a brand that's become extremely popular among anglers across the US for delivering solid performance, modern design, and dependable durability. KastKing fishing rods are typically built with high-quality graphite or carbon fiber blanks, which means they're lightweight but still strong enough to handle aggressive fish. This design improves sensitivity, so you can actually feel what's happening at the end of your line, whether it's a soft bite or a structure below the water. What makes KastKing stand out compared to many other rods is the balance between strength and comfort. The guides are smooth and durable, helping your line flow freely, while the ergonomic handle offers a comfortable grip for long fishing sessions. Many rods in this category feel either too stiff or too flimsy, but KastKing usually hits a nice middle ground. Pros include good sensitivity, lightweight feel, and a wide range of rod actions for different fishing styles. Cons may include fewer premium finishes on some models, but performance remains strong where it matters most. Using it is simple. Pair it with a matching reel, choose the right line for your technique, and you're ready for freshwater or light saltwater fishing. Overall, KastKing fishing rods are great for beginners, weekend anglers, and even experienced fishermen who want reliable performance without overcomplication. See the description for more details. Number 4. PLUSINNO Combo Fishing Rod. The PLUSINNO Combo fishing rod is definitely worth checking out. This combo comes with a well-built fishing rod paired with a smooth operating reel, designed to handle both freshwater and light saltwater fishing. The rod is made from strong yet lightweight materials, giving you good sensitivity while still being durable enough for regular use. The reel feels balanced, offers smooth casting, and helps reduce line tangles, which is a big plus for beginners. What makes the PLUSINNO Combo better than many others is its convenience. Instead of buying separate pieces, everything works together right out of the box. It's compact, easy to carry, and simple to set up, perfect for fishing trips, travel, or quick weekend outings. Pros include easy handling, lightweight design, and versatility for different fishing situations. A small inconvenience is advanced anglers may want more customization, and it's not designed for very large or aggressive fish. Overall, it's a solid choice if you want dependable performance without complications. It's great for beginners, casual anglers, and anyone who enjoys fishing without hassle. See the description for more details. Number 5. Luyianxi Combo Fishing Rod. The Luyianxi Combo Fishing Rod, a complete setup designed for anglers who want performance, convenience, and reliability all in one package. This combo typically includes a lightweight yet durable fishing rod paired with a smooth operating reel, making it a great all-in-one option for freshwater fishing. The rod is designed to be sensitive enough to detect subtle bites, while still having the strength needed to handle larger fish. The reel offers smooth casting and consistent drag, which helps reduce line tangles and fatigue during longer fishing sessions. So, why does the Luyianxi Combo stand out compared to other fishing rod combos? The biggest advantage is balance. The rod and reel are well matched, which means better control, smoother casts, and a more comfortable overall experience, especially for beginners. Pros include its lightweight design, easy setup, and versatility for lakes, rivers, and ponds. It's also compact enough for travel and casual fishing trips. Cons may include limited customization for advanced anglers and slightly less power for very heavy saltwater fishing. In my analysis, this combo shines as a dependable, no-stress fishing solution. To use it, simply attach your line, choose the right bait, adjust the drag, and you're ready to cast. It's straightforward and beginner-friendly. Overall, it's good because it simplifies fishing and delivers solid performance. It's not ideal for professional tournament anglers, but it's perfect for casual and recreational use. The Luyianxi Combo fishing rod is best suited for beginners, weekend anglers, and anyone looking for a reliable grab-and-go fishing setup. See the description for more details. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.